Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Design. So we just got in. This is one of the Toyota Service Bulletin replacement struts for the old Bilstein 6112s that was in the 2015 through 2018 4Runners. You can see the spring here has been broken off here. It's actually rolled around here on the bottom, and you can see actually where the other half of it is right here on the bottom. So these are the original ones that came in the truck. We tend to see these break off on the vehicles that have been in the colder climates or changing condition climates. Northern states, we don't see it so much down here in Arizona, but you can see that this one has been well weathered. We actually have a truck that's here that came in from Michigan and it was snapped off on the bottom. So Toyota did offer or list out a Toyota Service Bulletin for the strut for the springs breaking, and then this was the fix for it. The reason is this flat plate that it sits on right here caused a lot of load on the spring because it was not natural for the way the spring wanted to sit. So it caused them to snap off on the bottom. You can see here on this strut, you can see it still has some angle in it here, which is designed in the lower collar of this. Now, people are gonna ask or have asked, hey, are you guys going to build a lower collar for this to fix the situation? Yes, we are. We're actually in the process of building this collar right now. So when people get this swapped out strut, it comes as a complete assembly like this. They will be able to run our Westcott Designs lower collar on this strut. So just want to share that with you guys. It'll be great. It'll work out for those guys that get the replacement struts. They can get just the replacement lower collar instead of have to buy the whole kit. And they have already got the top half-inch shim, which they will be able to use that again as well. Give that to the dealer, have them install that at the same time. You can see this one is brand new. And you can just see how much they press down the bushing here in the top of it to get it so it centers the shaft here on the top hat. So there is no rubbing with the shaft throughout the top hat. It basically centers it up. There's a ridge on the top edge of this that centers the shaft up so you don't get any creaking or squeaking sound from it going up and down. And you can see just how many threads are here up on the top, which makes a big difference when you get that thing just tightened up properly. If it doesn't get tightened up properly, we see them where the shaft rubs inside there. And if you jump up and down or rock the car side to side, you hear a creaking noise because it was not installed or tightened up properly. So want to share that with you. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out at any time. Thanks again.